So, in addition to creating formulas and dragging them and filling the formula down a series of cells, we can do some other pre-made formulas, and one of them is average. So we have the weights per item of all of these Reese's candies. We have the average, or we have the percentage of peanut butter in each of these candies, and we have the weight of the peanut butter in each of these candies. What's the average weight of all of them? What's the average peanut butter percentage? What's the average weight of the peanut butter inside the item? Well, we're not sure, so let's figure it out. I'm going to just title this next row average, so that it's clear that this is kind of important. And then here's how you do it. I'm going to say equal average, which makes sense, open parentheses. And now that I open the parentheses, I'm going to tell it what I want to get averaged. In this case, it's from this cell. I click, hold down, and drag all the way to the bottom. Those are the cells that I want averaged. I hit enter, and the average of all of these cells together is 3.93. So if you take the average of all of these items, it's 3.93 grams, or 3.93 ounces. Now, if I wanted to find the average peanut butter percentage and the average weight of the peanut butter in each of these things, I can do the same thing, equal average, but I don't have to. I can just go to the cell where I had made the average for the first line. I can put my cursor over the green square, click, drag, and it will fill that that formula. So that means the average percentage of peanut butter is 46%. This is not formatted correctly, so let's show you something else. These are all percents. So 0.4629, what percent is that? Let's go find out. Format cells, and the choice under number, one of them is percentage. So I'm going to say OK. Notice I can choose different amounts of decimal places. I'll leave it at 2. And that was 46.29% is the average percent. And here's the average weight of the peanut butter. Now, we're going to show two other things. What if I didn't want this in the order it is now, which I'm not sure it's in any particular order? What if I wanted to put it in order by peanut butter percentage, from the highest peanut butter percentage to the lowest peanut butter percentage? Could I do that? The answer is yes, I could. So in order to not mess it up, I'm going to go ahead and take this whole thing and copy it. Right click, copy. So now I've copied the entire spreadsheet except for the averages. I'm not going to worry about the averages. And let's work on that on a whole new spreadsheet. See the plus sign down here? I'm going to click on that. And this gives us a new sheet that's called Sheet 1. Let's call it, I'm going to double click on Sheet 1 and call it Ordered Weights, so that I can remember what's what. And I'm going to go up to the first cell and right click, and let's paste it. And it's kind of smushed, so we're going to resize the rows, or the columns, make them a little wider. Alright. And now we're going to show how to reorder this. We said we want to go in order by the highest peanut butter percentage down to the lowest peanut butter percentage. So I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go up to Sort and Filter. And I think we're going to pick Custom Sort. because we don't know which one of these things it wanted to sort by. Do we want to sort by Reese's products and put it in alphabetical order? We could do that. Or do we want to sort by the weight, the total weight? Or do we want to sort by peanut butter percentage? Or do we want to sort by the weight of the peanut butter? We need to choose from any of those things. So in this column, we get to choose. And I wanted to rank them by peanut butter percentage. We want to have the highest peanut butter percentage first and the lowest last. So we need to go over here where it's the smallest to largest. We wanted the biggest one to be first. So largest to smallest. We're going to say OK. And there it is. 60.34 is bigger than 59.5, which is bigger. Whoops. Undo. There we go. 60.34 is bigger than 59.5, which is bigger than 59.3, and so on and so forth. So, how did we do that? One more time. We selected everything, including the titles, and then we said sort and filter, and then we said custom sort, and then we said in sort by, we got to choose peanut butter percentage. Just for fun, let's sort it by weight per item. And let's go from the smallest to the largest. This should give us the littlest thing here would be the first one, and then it should get bigger and bigger and bigger. And let's see what happens. Yes, the miniatures are the smallest at 0.317 ounces, and then up, 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 up until the biggest one, the pumpkin, 19.68 ounces. That's big. Okay, there it is. Sorting, creating a new sheet, and entering the average.